Good morning. Hi everybody, this is Ron with Southern California Live. I wanted to do a video today. I'm on my way down to San Onofre here in Southern California. It's one of the beaches that I go surfing when I haven't surfed in a long time. Even if the waves aren't that good, at least I can get out there and paddle, build my upper body strength up. So I want to keep in shape because I'm going to retire in a couple of years, and hoping I still have it and I can surf. And right now I'm 66, so just trying to get back into it. I've been off for a while. This is where I live. This is my home. So my wife's in the car right now. She's probably thinking, let's go already. I got up at 4:30 this morning. Should be decent. Well, I finally made it out here. I got my GoPro. Just kind of stretching a little bit. I do that before I go out for about 20 minutes. And this is what my board looks like. It's a 9.0. It was shaped by Robert August. It's a Corky Carol board and single fin. So, hope this video turns out okay. We're gonna give it a try. All right, we'll be out there in a minute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try paddling out, guys. I'm waiting for a little bit of a lull. Waves died down, so give it a try here. Beautiful day out here, glassy, small waves. Near the Southern California, it's an Edison old nuclear power plant. I'll see if you can see it over here. Turn the camera on. You can see it right there, guys. Yeah. And some of my fellow surfer gals over here surfing, wearing heaties. This is a real chill place. If you want to learn, this is a good place to come. We call this dog patch at San Onofre. I like to try to stay outside, especially at my age. Got a little bit of wax on the lens here. I hope you guys are seeing this okay. It's my first time using the GoPro in the water, or even on land. I haven't even used it on land. This is the first time I'm using it. Okay, I watched a lot of videos, YouTube videos on how to operate this. It's different once you're out here. Yeah, so I'm probably going to head in. There's no waves out here. It's like a lake. It is beautiful. It's glassy. You see the seagulls right there flying above. They're really neat. Yeah, so unfortunately I only caught a couple waves today. Small. I'm going to probably just paddle in and see if I can get I don't know. And I just rode a small little light water on my wave on my board because it's so flat out here. You can see some of the waves. You can't even see waves. It's like a lake out here. You can see a little bit out here. This is my board. And I just love it. Everybody's coming in. There's no way. All the surfers have come in, pretty much. There's another gal right there. She's coming in. She's got to go to work. I heard her saying that she's got to start working about a little while, so she's got to paddle in and take a shower. That's one thing that's pretty cool is they have showers here, and they have surfboard racks. San Onofre Surf Club built the surf racks. They've been there for a long, long time, and they also have a shower where you can rinse off, get cleaned up, and then head into work if you have to work that day, or if you have the day off. A lot of people just sit out here, you know, in their chairs and just enjoy the beach. Enjoy it over here. It's very isolated from the city, kind of remote. A lot of people like it. I like it. You're not in the crowds. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Not much today. We'll have some more. I'll get some good surf videos eventually. You're out here and you're coming in. I found out there's a lot of rocks. I should. See those rocks right there? Yeah, there's a lot of rocks. So I usually just go barefoot with my wetsuit, but now I wear booties because I've cut my feet a few times and it kind of hurts. And I just don't enjoy doing that. It looks kind of funky when you're surfing with booties on, but it doesn't get your feet all cut up, right? That is so cool, dude. I love that setup. It's a local guy out here. He comes out here all the time, and he's fishing. He's sitting on his little board there. It's like, I don't know what you call that. It's made by Infinity. Well, this guy was just out in the water. He's got an Infinity board. It's actually some kind of a, I forgot what they call it. It's a paddle. You sit down and you paddle and you catch waves on it. Yeah, you could actually stand on that too. But he was out there fishing. It's kind of like a canoe, but it's not. It's more for catching waves. Yeah, pretty neat. Older gentleman, he's probably about my age. I'm 66, so. Comes another guy, he's got a foil. It's a board with a foil on it. Check out this bird. He's on the beach short here. I don't know what you call that. But he's just having a ball over here. Singing. Probably looking for food. There he goes. That's beautiful out here, isn't it? Some surfers out there. And like I said, guys, it's really flat. But it's a nice day to just be out and about, catch a few little tiny waves, and enjoy the breathtaking views of Southern California ocean here at San Onofre. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rinsed off here and we'll get going.